Crud, sorry. Hey guys, it's me, Butter Cake Maker. And today we are ouch! And today we are going to be playing. Yes, you are not mistaken. This is Gta5. Yes, and I can fly. I love doing this. I have no idea why. I freaking love doing that. It's so freaking awesome. It's like, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Just spread my wings. What the freak is happening? I'm gonna punch a table. Punch. You know what? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh, I broke it. Everyone saw that I did not break the table. I did not break the table. What are you talking about? Okay, guys, today my goal is to get on the train. Together with a moon gravity and super jump cheat, I should be able to get on the train. By means of, oh, dang it! I was gonna put on the invincibility cheat. Oh well. Dang it! I overshot it. Yeah, maybe I should just truck crawl on it. Yeah. Wait, why am I Michael? I'm gonna be Franklin, the best person in the world. Franklin, I like Franklin better than Michael. I don't know why I like Franklin more. I just do. Gotta do what the person gotta do. What the freak? Franklin, what the freak are you wearing? You look terrible. Okay, to the train tracks. To the train tracks. To the train tracks, to the train tracks, to the train tracks, train tracks, to the train tracks, to the train tracks. Okay, which car am I gonna steal? Come on, man. Hey, it's him. Give me all your monies. Give me it. Give it. Thank you for your car. Thank you very much. Crud, now I've got to shake the cops. Great. Is that how you say it? Well, I don't know. Lower. Crud, no. No, you're not gonna get, no, get the frick away, Lamar. I hate you. You're a jerk. I don't even care about your dumb dog. Wait, I love Chop. No, why am I being such a jerk to my own dog? Wait, is Chop my dog or is it Lamar's? Ah! Curse you, cops. I will freaking shoot your face. Freaking dang, I hate you, cops. You're jerks. You know that? I wish I could have spawned a buzzard. Yeah. I want to spawn a buzzard. Buzzard. Ah, dang, these people. Freaking get out of my way. Get out the way. Boom. Get out the way. Get out the way. Yeah, get out the way. Just boom. Sorry. Don't make me. Oh my gosh, I know what to do. Oh wait, I can't die. The cheats will deactivate then. The cheats will deactivate and I have no way of reactivating them. Because I'm using my phone to record. Okay, get the frick away. I will lose you, cops. In this freaking broken car I have. Even if that's the last thing I do. Ouch. Get the frick out of the way. Just boom. Get out of the way. Hey, how dare you push me? I'm going away. Bye. Crud. Did I just... No. Nope. See ya. See ya, suckers. You'll never catch me, coppers. You can't catch me, coppers. Dang it. I thought if I flew, I wouldn't die. Great. Just perfect. Oh, and guys, there's an old episode called I'm Van Gogh, guys. I'm hoping to get some more comments so I can draw some stuff for you. And you can see how well I drew it, because I'm an expert drawer. I am going to spawn in a car. Dang, I freaking can't. Forgot. Phone. Okay, I'll wreak havoc on the city then. City havocing. No, come back here, Cherry Bus. Cherry Bus. No, Cherry Bus. How dare you defy me? How dare you defy me? I own you, Cherry Bus. Cherry Bus. That's the name of Cherry Bus. Huh, where the frick is Cherry Bus? Okay, I'm gonna go find Blueberry Bus now. Blueberry Bus. Blueberry Bus. Blueberry Bus. Blueberry Bus. Dang it! Crud. Come on. I'm gonna steal your money. My money, my money, my money. My money. What? Dang it. I need to lose the cops. I may have shot some people, but I swear I'm innocent. I swear. I swear, sir. I'm innocent. They're framing me, sir. Do you not understand that? They are framing me. That's how big of jerks they are. They're framers. See, they like to take frames of things and stuff. You know? Okay, you don't? Well, then I'll just have to steal a car. Steal a car. Ooh, yeah, that is right. Look at this. Look at this car. So fancy. Looks so awesome. I'm stealing it. It's gonna be mine. Yes. Brake. Don't care. Ah, crud. Well, that didn't go as planned. Oh, sorry. Oh, dang. Oh, this is gonna get me stars. Oh, yep, it did. I just want to get on a train. Dang, I'm late for my recital. I'm late for my recital. I swear. Cops. Blue Cherry Bus. Orange bus. Orange bus. That's you. That's you, orange bus. Orange bus, you shall be mine. You shall be mine, orange bus. You will be mine. And now you are mine. I'm sorry, fool. Ba-doop, ba-doop, orange bus. Ba-doop, ba-doop, it's orange bus. Ba-doop, ba-doop, it's orange bus. Yeah, I got the orange bus, and I'm gonna slap that car in the face. Get slapped it, get slapped it, get slapped it. Oh god, oh god. He didn't recognize me. Yes. Haha, he has no idea where I am. So stealthy. So stealthy. This bus is so stealthy. Yep. 99 bottles of beer on the wall, 99 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 98 bottles of beer on the wall, 98 bottles of beer on the wall, 98 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 97 bottles of beer on the wall. I think that's how it goes, but I'm not quite sure because I've never actually done that in my whole entire life. Yeah, I've never actually done that on a road trip. Even though I went to NOLA or New Orleans a little while ago, we do not do that. That's just weird and boring. No offense to the people that actually do it. Ugh. 98. Okay, 97 bottles of beer on the wall. 97 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 96 bottles of beer on the wall. 96 bottles of beer on the wall. 96 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 98 bottles of beer on the wall. 95 bottles of beer on the wall. This is just. How many cops are following me? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just kidding. It's only 1. Wait a second. Wait a second. Really can't switch to Michael whenever I'm in danger. Well, you suck, cops. That's it. There's a freaking guy in a freaking motorcycle or something. No. Come back here, guy in a motorcycle. I freaking want your automobile. I shall not pull over. Ow! Freaking dang. Oh, you wanna play, suckers? What? I didn't call that out. I just want your car, okay, bro? Okay, bro? Bro. Yes, I'm alive. Okay, I'm fine. No, I will not pull over, you freaking jerks. Ah, kaboom! Dang it! Oh crap, roadblock me? How dare you? Freaking dummies. Come on. Oh yeah, run into all the cones. Ow! Bad idea! Oh, ballerina! Please, ballerina! Freaking dang it, you freaking jerks! I'm just trying to get to my daughter's dance recital. Come on. This is Despicable Me all over again. Despicable Me all over again. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I'm pretty sure it's not normal. Okay. Come on. Where's that guy in the motorcycle? I'm gonna run him over. Come on. Woo! Ow! Okay. I'm stealing your car. I'm stealing your car. I'm stealing your... Ah! That freaking hurt, man! What the heck? That freaking hurt. That freaking hurt. Sorry about the camera, guys. Hey, you can see me! Yeah! Oh, yes, we're here. We're here. Fabulous Franklin. In Sandy Shores. I think it's called Sandy Shores. I don't know what the frick the place is called. But I know there's a railroad track. Dang, like this whole dang video was, the goal was to freaking get on the railroad track. And freaking the whole thing was just me getting chased by cops. So, yeah. Oh yeah, in the orange bus. Yes, it has come. The time has come. The time has... Oh god, that's a train. The time has come. Ow! Why would you do that? Get the freak out. Get the freak out. You need to get on the train. Get on the train. Yes! 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 Ow! Really? Oh, train fail. Train fail. You know what? I'm gonna wreck face from on top of this train. Sniping. It is good. I shall snipe. I'm gonna snipe people from this train. Hey, anybody to snipe? Oh crap! No! Oh, dang! That was a train fail. 2 train fails. Ow! What the frick just happened? What the heck? Train fails! I'm gonna get to the engine. What the heck just happened? Train glitching? Okay, I'm just gonna walk because I don't want to freaking fall off again. Oh! Okay, good idea to jump whenever that happens. Anyone to snipe? No! Freaking heck no! No! Freaking train failed! Train fails! Train fails! Train fails! Train fails! 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 Fails. Fails. Ugh, that sucked. How long are we into the video? Okay, 18 minutes. Good, so that was like 2 minutes of me failing. Oh yes. Oh crud. Crud, 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 crud. I wish I had cheats. Wish I had cheats on. Ow. No, baby, come back. I've always wanted to see you. I don't even know. That's how the song goes. I wanna get on the train. Get on the train. Get on the train. Well, guys, I know how to end this perfect episode. Perfect. This first video of freaking Grand Theft Butter. How the frick do you do this? It's by a train track selfie. Yes. Well, guys, hit that like button. subscribe, and comment if you want more Grand Theft Butter. I shouldn't call that that. I'm basically ripping it off. But, for more Grand Theft Auto. So, bye!